Segedin goulash with knedlíki, comforting and delicious. Dobrodošli, I'm Adrian and this is my Slovenian kitchen. For the dumplings, you're going to need milk, sugar, yeast, egg, flour, salt, and about 2 slices of French bread. So take half a cup of warm water and put your egg in there so it warms up. So I warmed up 1/3 cup of milk for about 20 seconds in the microwave. 1 teaspoon of flour, 1 teaspoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of yeast. Give it all a good mix and let it work for about 10 minutes. In your electric mixer, add 3 cups of flour, so in here you put 1 teaspoon of salt, the warm egg, the yeasty mixture, 1 cup of warm milk, and mix it. Add a little bit of oil to your pot. Just grease it. Put it in the cup and I'm going to cover it up. Keep it covered for 1 hour. You're going to need sauerkraut, salt and pepper, sour cream, garlic, onions, caraway seeds, paprika, bay leaves, oil, and some pork cubed. Add a little bit of oil to the pot. Add the chopped onions. Add the meat, the chopped garlic. Now that my meat has all browned nicely, then add hot water, 1 cup, and another cup, 1 tablespoon of caraway seeds, 2 tablespoons of paprika, 1 teaspoon of salt, pepper, 1 bay leaf, which I'm going to take out later. Cover and simmer for 1 hour. So just flour your working surface, just lightly. Take your dough and flour on top. Shape it into a loaf. Cut it in half. Shape each one to a smaller loaf. Let it rest for about 20 minutes. So rinse the sauerkraut. My bay leaf out now, and add the sauerkraut. Add 1/4 cup of water and cover it and simmer it for another 30 minutes. In a large pot, bring some water to a boil and add some salt. Use a cheesecloth or one of these metal things if you have it. Put your dumpling on top, cover it up, and steam it for 30 minutes. Okay, so my 30 minutes is up. It's going to cover off. There's my dumpling. Now steam the other one. Add 1/3 cup of sour cream. Give it a good mix. This is ready to be served. And dinner is served. Zdaj bomo probali, kako to je. Nice and fluffy, sauerkraut. Dober tek. Odlično.